Okay, and here we are. This is part 2, installing a beacon that goes with the main unit. Now I'm just double checking I'm at the correct location, which I am. I have got the correct unit there, and I'm just doing a double check on the depth of the hole. It tells me here it should be 3 meters deep, so I'm just going to run a check on the hole. Yep, it is 3 meters deep, and what we're installing at is 1/3 the depth of the manhole, so we're going to be installing at 1 meter. So I'm going to make a quick note that we are 1 meter down in the hole where we're installing the beacon, and what that means, if it's a 1 meter depth we're installing, we need about 1.2 meters of this 2mm stainless steel cable. So the first thing we'll do is we will create a loop at the very top. We found that the most efficient way of installing it, a nice enough loop so this fits through nice and easy. We'll use our crimping tool, which will crimp this shut. We will quickly just measure out 1.2 meters, which we've got here. 1.2 ends us here. And the reason we need more than the 1 meter is that we will install this on the beacon, and it will run around the beacon in this fashion here. So what we'll do here is we'll start at the small hole here, run the stainless steel cable through, loop it around the beacon, and then run it through the bottom part like so. And then on this one I will do it with an alternative tool if in case you don't have the cable crimper. So at the end we just run a small loop around, circle like this. Seeing if you don't have a proper cable crimper, this will work absolutely fine. All you do is put in 3 nice strikes, and this will do a similar job to the cable crimper. And all you do is run the loop back nice and tight, like so. And then we have our pre-drilled 6.5mm hole in here. We'll just squash this one down a bit flat and run it through our hole right there. The beacon will loop through here and bring it back nice and tight, and voila, we have a beacon installed at a depth of 1 meter. Now all that's left to do is take the lid and throw it back on top of the hole, and we're done.